The power of I can learn, growth mindset in action. Have you ever told yourself, I can't do this? Maybe it was a subject you never understood at school, a job that felt too big, or a dream that seemed too far away. We've all said those words at some point. But what if the real problem wasn't the difficulty itself, but the belief that you couldn't learn it? This is the story of Liam, a boy who discovered that the difference between failure and growth isn't talent or luck. It's the power of I can learn. Liam sat in the back of his math class, eyes fixed on the whiteboard that looked like a battlefield of numbers. No matter how hard he tried, the equations never made sense. His teacher would ask, Liam, what's the next step? And every time, his heart would race. His throat would tighten. His voice would fade into silence. After class, he would sigh and whisper to himself, I'm just not a math person. Those words became his truth. Every test returned with red marks. Every mistake felt heavier than the last. Soon, he stopped raising his hand. He stopped trying, and deep down, he started believing that learning wasn't for him. But life, as it often does, had a way of proving him wrong. One day, a new teacher named Mr. Rivers walked into class. He didn't start with a lecture or a test. He began with a question. He wrote 2 phrases on the board, I can't do this. And I can't do this yet. Then he asked, what's the difference between these 2 sentences? The class laughed, it seemed obvious. But Mr. Rivers smiled and said softly, the first one ends your story. The second one begins it. Something clicked in Liam's mind. He had never thought of it that way before. Could it really be that simple? Just one extra word, yet, could open a door he'd kept closed for years. Mr. Rivers continued, you see, your brain is like a muscle. It grows stronger when you challenge it, not when you protect it. Every mistake, every confusion, is simply a signal that you're learning. For the first time, Liam didn't feel stupid for not understanding. He felt curious. He felt hopeful. That night, instead of saying, I can't do this, he whispered to himself, I can't do this yet. And that small shift changed everything. The next few weeks were hard. Really hard. But Liam made a promise to himself, if my brain can grow, then I'll train it. He started small. He practiced 1 equation a day. He made flashcards. He watched videos. He asked questions. Every time he got something wrong, he forced himself to say, good, that means I'm learning. His classmates noticed the change. He wasn't the kid sitting quietly at the back anymore. He was trying, and even though he wasn't the best, he was improving, step by step. Weeks turned into months. One day, Mr. Rivers announced a surprise quiz. Liam's heart sank. The old fear crept in again. But then he remembered those words. I can't do this yet. He took a deep breath, picked up his pencil, and started writing. When he got his paper back, for the first time in years, there were more blue ticks than red crosses. He smiled, not because he had aced it, but because he had learned. After that quiz, something inside Liam shifted. He realized that learning wasn't about being perfect, it was about being persistent. He stopped comparing himself to others. Instead, he compared himself to who he was yesterday. Every evening, he'd look in the mirror and ask, what did I learn today? Some days, the answer was small. A new formula, a new word, a tiny step forward. Other days, it was patience, discipline, or courage. And slowly, Liam began to see something incredible. The things that once scared him now excited him. He wasn't afraid of not knowing anymore. Because he knew that with time, effort, and curiosity, he could learn. One afternoon, Mr. Rivers called him after class. He smiled and said, Liam, you've changed. Do you know what's different about you now? Liam thought for a moment and replied, I guess. I stopped saying I can't. Mr. Rivers nodded. That's right. You learned how to learn, and that's a skill that will carry you through everything in life. Those words stayed with Liam forever. Because for the first time, he truly believed he was capable of growth. Years passed. Liam grew older, graduated, and entered college. New subjects, new challenges, new fears. But this time, he faced them differently. When he failed his first programming exam, he didn't say, "I'm terrible at coding." He said, "I can learn this." When he struggled to give a presentation, he didn't think, "I'm not a good speaker." He reminded himself, "I can learn to communicate." That phrase, simple yet powerful, became his secret weapon. One night, while helping a classmate who was ready to give up, Liam smiled and said, "Hey, I used to feel the same way. But trust me, the moment you start believing you can learn, everything changes." His friend looked at him, surprised. "What if I keep failing?" Liam chuckled softly. "Then you'll keep learning," and that's when it hit him. He wasn't just living the lesson anymore, he was teaching it. So what exactly makes "I can learn" so powerful? Because those 3 words unlock your growth mindset. They tell your brain, "I may not know this yet, but I'm capable of figuring it out." When you believe you can learn, you stop fearing mistakes. You stop running from challenges. You start chasing them. You begin to realize that talent is built, not born. Confidence is earned, not gifted. And success isn't a destination, it's a continuous process of learning, unlearning, and growing. Liam's story isn't unique. It's the story of every person who ever decided to try again. It's the story of every dreamer who said, "I may fall, but I'll rise better." Now pause for a moment and ask yourself, what have you been telling yourself you can't do? Maybe it's learning a new skill, starting a business, speaking in public, or changing your career. Whatever it is, replace "I can't" with "I can learn," because the truth is, you don't need to be ready to start. You just need to start to be ready. Every expert was once a beginner. Every strong voice once trembled. Every success story began with one simple belief: I can learn. So the next time you face something that scares you, remember Liam. Remember his quiet promise, and tell yourself with confidence, "I can't do this yet. But I can learn," because in that moment, you become unstoppable. So my friend, if this story touched your heart, if it reminded you that growth takes time and courage, then don't keep it to yourself. Someone out there needs to hear these words today. Someone who's on the edge of giving up, who just needs a reminder that they can learn too. So, please, like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe to this channel where we grow together, one story at a time. Because this is Lamra, where we learn, aspire, master, reflect, and evolve together.